This is a very short, quick recording for a subscriber who asked a question about setting orientation of a receiver. It's real easy. This is in lieu of doing the first time setup after you have reset a receiver. So we're going to go from here to our friendly forward programming, gyros, system setup, and there it is, orientation. Then we can set the model level, press continue, set the model on its nose, press continue, and that will set it. Or if we want to set it manually, we can do that. This one was set using the level nose down system. Orientation 3 is correct for the Crescendo. You can see that it is upside down. You can see the screws are facing up. The face of the receiver is facing down, and the ports, not the reports, the ports are facing aft where the leads plug in. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.